Assignment.
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 Assignment. So this is my assignment. What does it mean?
It's record lovely, oy.
Ano nga? You don't record it.
What?
It's not recorded.
Oh, great.
Okay, do it again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Daddy, I will teach you Bisayan.
Okay, I'll do my best.
Tabangi ko
Sobae ko
ta. Tabangi ko
It's ta, darling. Ta. Ta,
Okay,
te, te, to, to.
You keep out of it. She's teaching me. Tabai ko.
It's wrong.
Tabangi ko. Ba. B. Tabangi ko.
Tabangi ko.
Sa.
Or ta?
Sa akong assignment.
Okay, do it in one word. In one sentence.
Excuse me.
Tabangi ko sa akong assignment. Go.
Tabangi ko
Sa akong
assignment ako.
That's good.